Jake. I'm going to talk to you tonight about the multipolar neuron that I built. This is actually the most common type of neuron in your body because it has multiple poles in it. You've got all these intake poles, which are your dendrites, so they accept all of the information that goes in, and then here at your Axion Hillcock is the actual out pole, and it leads through the axion all the way over to here where these little tail suckers are. These guys are called the axion terminals, so they're the outputs. So you've got your inputs over here and your outputs over here, and the space between the cells, because you'll have this part that's also over here on another cell that's trying to talk over here, there'll be these little gaps right in between the inputs and the outputs. That's actually your synapses, and the information will travel in that small little gap between them. But for this cell, though, this is your main cell body over here. So this blue part in here is the most common part that you'll see a lot in other diagrams of cell bodies. So this will have your mitochondria, your nucleus, your nucleolus, your Golgi apparatus, your ribosomes. This is the actual house of the DNA and stuff like that. This is where there's the transfers of energy. This is really your functioning cell part. Well, as you travel down, and as that signal travels down, you'll run into these guys, these red ones. These are actually called myelin sheaths, and the way that these work is the same way as electricity works through a wire. These are actually your insulators, so they actually help control the energy flow that goes through here. This is a typical myelin sheath, and as you can see right here, the way that I designed them is it's really just a flat sheath that's circled around and actually has a myelin sheath nucleus in here as well. But yeah, so those are the parts on the axion that act as insulators as that signal is passing through. So remember, the flow of information goes from the dendrites through the cell body, out the axion, and then it leaves out of the axion terminals, and then connects with another cell through the synapses. Alrighty, hopefully that was good information for you.